Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So in this video, as you can see, I'm showing you that Roblox has again some problems. They say we've identified the root cause and have made some updates and are actively monitoring the situation. Social links for experiences will not be functional until next week. And guys, if you are trying to click on this problem, on that message, you will get to this page. So click on the back or home to get back. And here, as you can see, the page really has problems. It doesn't refresh. So if you have this problem, you can try to go to your Google Play and update your Roblox. And another solution to do is going to your settings, to your phone, and then from here you have to scroll down until you find apps. And here you have to click on the search icon from the right top corner and search for Roblox. Click on the app and then scroll down and click to storage. And from here you can clear the data and the cache. These are these two buttons from the bottom of the screen, so you can click those. If you clear the data, then you will be unlogged from your app and you will have to log in again. And if this still doesn't work, you can try to uninstall your app and then reinstall it again and restart your phone. But guys, you don't have to worry too much because we all have this problem. And if you still cannot fix your Roblox, you just have to wait until they will fix the problem. So yeah guys, that's it. If you have this problem, you can comment down below in the comment section and we will talk there too. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can like this video and you can also subscribe to our channel. And if you have some questions, like I said, you can go ahead and ask them in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.